on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
how are you all doing today? It's still your girl Kamsi, and I've got great news for you. I have been invited to be among the facilitators for this year's summer boot camp organized by the award-winning BFT Consulting. This year's event promises to be exciting. Have you attended this event before? This year's event is going to be unique because it's 100% virtual, and that means you can do whatever you plan to do and still be part of it. Even if you're in summer anywhere around the world, as long as you have internet, you can join it. Now let me tell you the best parts. There are going to be 22 speakers that are specializing on 4 tracks, which are one of them. Track 1, leadership. If you want to be a leader, then this is for you. Track 2, public speaking. There, you will learn how to speak with boldness and confidence. Track 3, digital media and design. And track 4, entrepreneurship and financial literacy. There, you learn how to make money at a young age. Can you imagine? Wow! Friends, remember that this event is starting on 9th of August to 4th September 2021. Use the link in the description box to register. There is a big discount if you register on or before 3rd of August 2021. Now, what are you waiting for? Click on the link and register now. Let me give you 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, congratulations. See you on the 9th of August. Love you all. Bye for now.